Hi everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Easy Craft video. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. I am back with another beautiful idea about the designs of Merry Christmas centerpieces, syntax pen centerpieces, decoration ideas for your houses. As you know that without decorations Merry Christmas is so incomplete. So I collect beautiful idea of my viewers. So thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video and collecting my beautiful channel in these collections. 70 plus unique idea that recreate and transfer your house, that is most beautiful, that is most essential. Beautiful centerpieces, fresh centerpiece designs for my viewers, beautiful ideas, beautiful creativity. Fresh idea for fresh years. These designs look so attractive. I hope you enjoy my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. And I give more ideas about how to create and how to transfer your house on the days of Merry Christmas 2025. How to decorate your house with a beautiful way on the days of Merry Christmas. I provide you simple ideas for your beautiful decorations. These centerpieces look so attractive. All the designs and decorations are very unique and trending. All over modern way to celebrate your festivals 2025. I hope you enjoy my video. I hope you love the designs of creativity. If you have any question about my YouTube channel, then please ask me in comment box. All the designs look so attractive, so stylish. If you want to see more make party decoration ideas, Merry Christmas decoration ideas, then please visit my channel. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss any other amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you like any designs, then take a screenshot of it and also do try my amazing and beautiful designs. All the designs look so attractive, so stylish, so beautiful. These centerpieces look so attractive and enhance the beauty of your table decorations. Thank you so much everyone. Bye bye.